pot up some vegetables here. Up pot. Because, let me show you. Just my helpful friends here. I allowed them to sew one flat. Look at that. Anyway, I've already done one just to get warmed up. As I get them done, I'm going to set them back over here in my bottom watering tray so they can get a drink. Okay, I am down to business. Frog in my throat. I use a little spoon to fish these out. Well, that didn't really go well. Let's see how it does, though. Got my little thing here to catch my extra soil. Got my stuff figured out today. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? These are bok or pak choy. I've seen it spelled both ways and it's very confusing to me. Pak or bok? Pak or bak? Pakabak. Bok, bak, bak, bak. Choy. It's a kind of cabbage, different kind of cabbage. I want some Napa cabbage seeds. That's a goal. Nothing's come up in that one. I have done two. Two left. Put it in here like a so. Right, balanced. And then just carefully. That's not very carefully. You know, filling around. The goal here is to now leave these alone, you know, until I harden them off and get to put them out, which I'm not doing until the highs are in the 70s, because I have learned. And don't be fooled by a good week or so of highs in the 70s, because you know what? I was fooled last year, and then the hundreds came back, and they stayed hundreds almost till frost. Out of here. In here. You're all wet. So, okay. I've got 4 down here. Oh, already got one out. Get a pot ready. So I'll just use this out. Wet. Here we got 2 here. Seeds are fragile. Seedlings are fragile. But they're not as fragile as you think they are. So if you're careful, you'll be alright. They will go through a little bit of shock. And in a few days they'll be fine. You'll never know. Out of the way. one just needs some soil. I'm going to move you to the center carefully. It's a little leggy on me, huh? But this should fix it. Typically, this is what I do. I fill them, you know, I don't fill them full, you see. So when they get going up a little, I'll take it out a little more soil. Ta! Okay. Might have to give me another flap. This is... Do y'all get the idea? I mean, I don't have to set up and... I don't want to make a boring video. But, you know, if you don't know quite what to do with your seedlings once they get out, if you find that they are a little, you know, leggy and like these and flopping over, this is, you know, this is something you do. Just up pot them and do the little things I said, and make sure you're gentle. And make sure you pop them back in some water or water them. You know, I've bottom water, so yeah. Peace, guys. Ugh, let me reach.